everyone. Have you heard of the book Living the Artist's Way? I know you have, and heard of the book The Artist's Way and all the different books that Julia Cameron writes, but this is her brand new one called Living, where you're actually living the artist's way. And I thought, what a fun activity this would be to do this live as a group. So if anybody wants to join me, I'm going to be doing these video through the 6-week course called, she calls it a course, I call it like a book club, but Experience the Artist's Way, an intuitive path to greater creativity. And I just want to read you the first little bit, because any of you guys who've done the other books that she has knows that she talks all about journaling and free writing and things like that, and doing morning pages every morning and artist dates and this and that. And that's all about kind of getting your creative flow back. But this is more like living in that element, living in that feeling and embodying that. So her introduction says, I'll begin at the beginning. This is a book about guidance, so I'll start with defining guidance and answering the most common questions. What is it? Can anyone receive it? What about X? Well, guidance is the fourth essential Artist's Way tool. Living the Artist's Way is a window into my life and a reliance on guidance at every juncture. It's an invitation to use this tool as I do to help navigate all areas in your life. In previous books, I have written about creative art of listening and prayer and how we can be led through these practicing through morning pages. Now I take you one step further. You will see how prayer sets the stage for guidance, how morning pages prime us for writing guidance, and with guidance, we ask on the page and we receive the answers on the page. And I'm going to show you how this practice has bolstered my life and my art. My guidance and art have become how I think, how I make sense of the world, and I'm listening for guidance every step of the way. And this is she also goes into how this is how she handles doubt in her life, how she feels happier and lighter and more grounded, and leads to so much inner wisdom and her being more true to her authentic self. So I thought, there's no more perfect way for in our group to have, since we focus on wellness and mental health and productivity and journaling and being empowered and authenticity and recalibration and resetting, then to do this book together. So if you're interested and you want to hang out with me as I go through the book, I'm going to be doing that over the next, it's 6 weeks. So I'm going to be doing 6 videos. I will be skipping a week when I'm on a holiday, but besides that, I'll be going through this week by week when I can. And yeah, it's going to be fun. So if you want to, I'll leave a link for this book in the comments below, and you can join me and hang out with me. So stay tuned for the first video on chapter 1, which, let's see, I closed the book at my place. Chapter 1, inviting grounding. Chapter 2 will be about inviting strength. Chapter 3, inviting calm. Chapter 4, inviting optimism. Chapter 5, inviting stamina. And week 6, inviting commitment. So I think it's going to be a beautiful journey for us to go on. I just want to let you know, you do not need to have the book to follow along. I'm going to be sharing a lot of insights and recaps on what she said, but you can follow along totally without having the book if you desire. But if you do want to have it, I'll leave a link. So yeah, I'm excited about this next little book journey, and I hope you'll join me. So let me know below if you're going to hang out with me and join me through this journey of living the artist's way. I'm Angela, and I will see you next time. Bye, friends. These sessions are going to be on YouTube and in my free community. So if you're not part of my CreateHealShine on School platform free community, come and join us. It's totally free, and it's full of resources and workshops and classes and connection and people that are all on a like-minded journey of growth and expansion and embodiment. So I want to invite you to join the free community as we go along, because there'll be a lot of posts about it and conversations going on about it. And I will also leave the link for that if you're not already in there for below this video. So I hope you guys have a fantastic day and a beautiful weekend ahead. And I can't wait to start this journey with you. Bye, friends.